Hello everyone! Today I'm going to be talking about a new wig that I received from WIGSHE. Well, I've got to let you know on this one. It's so exciting to talk to you about it because this is a company that you can actually do customizations for it before you even receive your wig. I know, right? Isn't that cool? So you get to make some choices like the size of your cap, what color you want, the density. What else? Oh, I also got to choose whether I wanted unbleached knots, lightly bleached, or fully bleached knots. So yeah, it was really cool. And you guys, these are very, very reasonably priced wigs for being human hair wigs and customizing them. So I'll talk about that a little bit more later. So let's go ahead and take a look what's inside the box. You can see I have not peeked. It arrives like this. It did take about a month to do the customization, but once they shipped it, I received it via FedEx. And from the time that they shipped it out, which was the day after Christmas, to today, which is, gosh, it's Thursday, I got it today. So it only took a couple of days. I was very impressed. So let's take a look, okay? We've got a cute little wig bag. Ooh, look, there's goodies in the box too. Let's go ahead and take these out. First of all, you get a really cool wig grip. And I like these because they have the lace. So you can go ahead and put that here or in the middle, wherever your part is going to be. And that way you don't see the band. Now here is the cute little envelope. And it's a nice thank you card. Isn't that sweet? And it just says that they really appreciate our business and that we hope that we really enjoy the wig, and let them know if you've got any questions. So yeah, and it's got all of their contact information on it as well. So that's really cute and special. Okay, are we ready? Let's go ahead and open the bag. Ooh, you guys. Look at this color. Look at that. All right. I'm going to take it in and after I clean it up a little bit and put some curls in it or whatnot, I'm going to take some pictures in natural light just to show you, okay? Let's go ahead and talk about this wig. First of all, we have the HD lace. So it has a little bit of a tint to it, but it's mostly transparent. So see, there's that. We'll look at the hair. It's nice, smooth, silky hair. There's a little tag on it. It says they want you to feel like a freaking superstar. That's so nice. I love their little personalized touches. Makes you feel kind of special. All right, turning this wig inside out. On a lot of wigs, you might have a full lace top. This one, it's pretty much the top, but it is a little bit smaller of a circumference for the lace top. Sometimes the lace will go all the way up around here. In this particular case, it's just this area here. Now, this is a decent size lace top, and it'll allow you to part in the middle, on the left, or on the right. You just might need to be very careful where you place your part, okay? Right now, this wig is parted in the middle. Looking at the wig construction, you have a comb at the top of your head. There's also one in the back, and there is a clip by each ear tab. Now these actually do have ear tabs, okay? Which I find kind of nice because the ear tabs will help it stay in place. Whereas if you have a wig that doesn't have an ear tab, your lace can generally pull away from your face and it becomes more noticeable unless you have it glued down or you have it taped down, okay? So this is really nice. I do like the ear tabs, and the ear tabs do have the metal stays, so you can position them facing or towards your face. That way you can assure that it's going to rest snugly up against your face. This is a closed wefted cap. And this is the Ashy Blonde Ombré wig, shortcut premium human hair lace wig. Again, it is code WIG30. The custom color, they usually charge $15 for. The 16-inch length was $95. The natural HD lace matches all the skin types. It has the lace front cap. It's a size small, fully bleached knots. Fully bleached knots may look incredible, but it may not last as long. So the hair is going to be a bit more fragile. You'll probably see a lot more shedding with fully bleached. The back does have the elastic adjustment straps. So they do have the hook like that. And then you can hook them in the back. Look at the color. It is this beautiful, ashy, just platinum-y, silvery, just buttery color. I love it. If you have ever had bio hair that you have tried to get this color, you'll know that it is almost impossible to achieve this color on your own hair without frying it to death. When my hair started growing back, I tried to get this color, and I did. I fried it, and I was even having it professionally colored. It was just a lot of maintenance. So having a wig in that particular color makes it so nice and so much more manageable and easy to deal with, okay? So you never have to worry about going back to the salon or maintaining that color. With this, you'll want to probably use a violet shampoo, a really good violet shampoo. And let's go ahead and try this on and see how it looks, okay? All right, let's go ahead and look at this hairline. Now what I'm going to do is, because even though I don't have a wig cap on right now, and you can still see that it kind of has a fleshy tone to it, but you can still kind of tell that it's a wig because there's not like really a skin there or a look of skin. So I usually use scar tape, and I place this where my part is, and I always kind of round it at the end and put it back just slightly so you don't notice it. All right, so I am a left to right parter. So you'll get your rat tail comb. Actually, what I'm going to do is I am going to spray generously with water. Just giving you an idea, this is where the cap starts and where the lace ends. So you've got to make sure that you are creating your part between these 2 points, okay? This isn't as easy to do unless you're in front of a mirror in the bathroom, but hey, you know what? We do what we can. There we go. All right, so what we're going to do next is that we are going to take off our wig and we are going to put scar tape down. I usually try to reserve my opinions until after a few days after I've worn the wigs, but just telling you a few things about this right now that I've noticed. I really wish there was a wider area on the top for the lace, just because I like to wear my part far over, like pretty far over, kind of like right about here. And because of the way that the lace is, it's wider here, but it gets more narrow as it goes back. If you put that part in there, it starts to run into the wefting right here. So if it were me, I would have made the base where the lace is around the whole top of the head. But to be honest with you, for the quality of hair that you get and the customizations and the pricing, you really can't beat this. We have our scar tape, and you will want to gently turn it inside out. Find where your part is. I usually will put my finger to where the part is. That way I can kind of gauge where to put my tape. And I want to gently peel the tape off from the back. And I like to place it far enough back that you're not really going to see the edge of the scar tape, okay? So we'll try it here, but you can always move it. I've made this a little bit too long because, like I was saying, the lace is a very narrow area. So I just kind of put it right there. So it ran into the cap just a little bit. I will probably remove these combs, which are super easy to do. There's some stitching on here. All you have to do is clip them. So I'll remove the combs and the clips just because I don't really have a lot of hair. And my scalp is very sensitive and they generally hurt my head. So let's go ahead and try this on with the scar tape and the new part. Oh, there we go. See what a difference that makes? Big difference. So you can get this scar tape on Amazon. And it's like $9, $10 maybe. There's the color. Again, we've got the hairline. And the lace goes from ear to ear, which is fantastic. I do have this on the loosest adjustment strap, and I can tell that there's just a little bit of gapping in the back. But again, I lean on the smaller side of a small. So it's not overly big to where it's going to bother me. But if you've got a small head like I do, you'll notice that sometimes you'll have issues with the wig resting right on your ears, and you can make the wig cap a little bit tighter with the adjustment straps and lift it further up off of your ears and lift it up a little bit more in the back. Overall, so far, I really love this hair. And other than just the base at the top where the lace is not being that wide, it's a really great wig. I can't wait to give it some curl and to style it. But already right now, it's pretty nice. Talk to you soon, guys.